Starting materials, whether we're talking about key starting materials or regulatory starting materials, are essentially the building blocks that get incorporated into the API. They mark the point in the process where you start to see a more direct impact on things like impurity profiles, process consistency, and regulatory expectations. From a CDMO perspective, they're really important because they set the foundation for everything downstream. The choices you make around sourcing, quality, and control at this stage can influence how smoothly a program progresses, both from a development standpoint and as you move towards commercial manufacturing. A big part of de-risking the approach is integrating starting material production within a connected internal network rather than relying entirely on external suppliers. This allows for better control over how and where materials are produced, along with stronger alignment on quality systems and specifications. It also provides more visibility into the process itself, things like synthetic routes and how changes are managed over time. From a risk perspective, that makes a difference, because you're not just reacting to supply disruptions, you have more ability to plan ahead, adjust as needed, and maintain continuity across the program. This also creates flexibility. Depending on the stage of development or regulatory requirements, production can be shifted across sites or adapted without introducing the same level of complexity you might see with multiple third-party suppliers. Piramal's tech transfer and quality systems play a really important role, especially when you think about consistency and speed. Because tech transfers are happening within the same network and under a shared quality system, there's typically better alignment across the sites from the start. That makes it easier to transfer process knowledge, maintain consistency in how things are executed, and avoid some of the disconnects you can run into with external partners. It also supports more open communication between the teams. When groups are working closely together and sharing information in real time, it becomes easier to troubleshoot issues, make adjustments, and even identify potential risks earlier before they have a bigger impact. So overall, it helps create a more predictable and efficient path as programs move from development into manufacturing.